Hi everyone, welcome to WealthTriX channel. We're always hearing stories about young crypto millionaires or college dropouts building billion-dollar empires. Imagine achieving millionaire status before 30. Sounds like a dream, right? But young millionaires are using simple, repeatable strategies that you can start today. So what's their secret? In this video, I'll be breaking down 10 life-changing lessons from young millionaires that can transform the way you think about money, time, and success. Whether you're fresh out of college, navigating your first job, or hustling for that side income, these lessons are designed to inspire you and help you create a life you're excited about. Let's talk about the first thing young millionaires do differently. They don't just set goals, they create a vision. It's like the difference between having a destination on Google Maps and actually picturing yourself living in that dream house or achieving that huge financial goal. Think about it. Goals are important, right? They give you something concrete to work towards. But a vision, that's what keeps you motivated even when things get tough. Take a moment to really visualize where you want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years. What does your ideal life look like? Write it all down, make it as vivid and detailed as possible. This clarity becomes the compass guiding you through every decision you make. Alright, let's talk about failure. It's something we all try to avoid, right? But here's the thing about young millionaires. They don't just accept failure, they embrace it. They understand that failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Let me tell you about this one entrepreneur I know. Started his first business with just $500. Talk about scrappy. The business flopped, but you know what he did? He took a step back, analyzed what went wrong, learned from his mistakes, and used that experience to launch a completely different business. Today, he's killing it. See, most people see failure as this big, scary monster, but successful people, they see it as a chance to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Remember, failure isn't the end, it's just a part of the process. Look, I love talking about stocks and real estate, but investing in yourself is even more important. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets. The world is changing fast. New technologies are emerging, and skills in demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. Young millionaires constantly upgrade their skill sets. These skills make you valuable and open up opportunities. Chapter 4. Time is your most valuable asset. We all have time in equal measure, but often take it for granted. You can always make more money, but never more time. Young millionaires protect their time fiercely. Every minute wasted is a minute lost forever. They're focused on goals and eliminate distractions. How much time do you spend on unproductive activities? Imagine redirecting that time to meaningful tasks. Time is the one resource you can't buy, borrow, or get back. Chapter 5. Build multiple streams of income. You know that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, that rings especially true when it comes to your income. Young millionaires understand this better than anyone. They know that relying on a single source of income, even a high-paying one, is risky business. Think about it. What happens if you lose your job, your industry takes a hit, or unexpected expenses pop up? Having multiple streams of income provides a safety net. Thanks to the internet and the gig economy, there are endless possibilities. You could start freelancing, launch an online business, invest in real estate, create and sell online courses. The options are limitless. Remember, diversifying your income isn't just about making more money, it's about creating a more secure and resilient financial future. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with the right people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with positive, driven, and supportive people. Seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, attend industry events, and connect with people who inspire you. Chapter 7. Look, I get it. It's tempting to want to splash out on that fancy car, designer handbag, or luxury vacation when you start making good money. And hey, there's nothing wrong with treating yourself once in a while. But young millionaires understand that true wealth isn't about material possessions. It's about financial literacy. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it effectively, and how to make it work for you. Instead of being intimidated by money, you'll feel in control of it. You'll be able to make informed decisions about your finances, avoid costly mistakes, and build a future where you're not constantly stressed about money. Chapter 8. Practice discipline and consistency. We all have big dreams, right? But here's the thing. Dreams without action are just fantasies. Young millionaires understand that success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires discipline, consistency, and a relentless pursuit of your goals, even when you don't feel like it. It's about showing up every single day, putting in the work, and staying committed, even when you face setbacks, obstacles, or just plain old laziness. It's about developing positive habits, mastering your time, and staying focused on the long game. Remember, discipline is a bridge between your goals and your accomplishments. It's the key that unlocks your potential and turns your dreams into reality. Chapter 9. Don't just save, build wealth. Saving money is important, don't get me wrong. It's the first step towards financial stability. But young millionaires understand that saving alone won't make you wealthy. To truly grow your money, you need to put it to work for you. Think about it. If you just keep your money sitting in a savings account, it's slowly losing value due to inflation. But if you invest it wisely, it has the potential to grow exponentially over time. Whether it's investing in the stock market, real estate, or your own business, the goal is to create passive income streams that generate wealth even while you sleep. Chapter 10. Give back. It's more than just money. It's easy to get caught up in wealth and forget what truly matters. True fulfillment comes from giving back to others. Use your success to make a positive impact and leave a legacy. Giving back can be volunteering your time or mentoring. Support a cause you believe in. Success is about the impact you have on the world. Outro. Start building your millionaire mindset. Feeling inspired to take action? Let's start building those millionaire habits today. Drop a comment below sharing which lesson you'll apply first. And if you want more tips on financial success and living smarter, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers and doers. So, take one of these lessons, put it into action, and watch your world change.